Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I will show how I make cake topper for Peppa Pig birthday. It was planned that the cake would be two-tiered, with the main topper on top and cartoon characters on the sides. Here you can see how the topper looked like at the party. I make design for my toppers in Cricut Design Space program. I wouldn't stay too long in this video on the design, just quickly show you how I created the basic elements. We add basic flower circle, then click on shapes and add two circles. Resize first circle, change size for second. We select two circles and align to the center. Then click on Slice. Now we received a ring shape as a part of our topper. In the same way, we add a ribbon for the bottom of our topper. I found and bought Peppa Pig images on Etsy. You have to download and add it to the Canva. If you have questions about design, leave it in the comments. For this cake topper I use cardstock from Michaels, 65 pounds. I print my images on matte photo paper. Both these brands I can recommend. Also we need foam double tape, barely art glue for paper. All craft tools you can find in my description. Here you can see all cake topper parts that I cut on my Cricut machine. I usually start assemble my projects from the small parts. I highly recommend barely art glue for paper crafting. For some assembly I will use foam double tape, so it gives more 3D effect. Here I will show how I use my embossing machine. I put some details in the folders. Take my machine and now you will see a magic. It was a flat cardstock before, and now we can see a different texture. Now we start assemble basic parts. I use a mat to find the center of my topper. I use cocktail acrylic stick as a cake topper holder. I prefer cut this ball from the stick. As you can see, I attach the stick with a glue gun. Between layers I use foam double tape. Remove all back stickers and attach our next layer. Try to find a correct place for our house. Here I use a wood stick to curve a grass. Now it's time for clouds. Here I realize that I have a gap and I cut one more layer of grass. So I easy fixed my small mistake. We repeat one more layer with foam double tape. Here I use 2 layers of double tape. I carefully attach the ribbon to the topper. And now time to attach front parts. For images I usually use white cardstock as a second layer. Our last element, and our cake topper is ready. The second step, I assemble small toppers. Attach foam tape, then image and white cardstock. Look how cute they are. Now I take lollipop sticks and glue it. We can use them for cake and also for cupcake toppers. Now our set for Peppa Pig birthday is ready. If you like this video, subscribe on my channel. I have a lot of video how to make cake toppers and other decoration stuff. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon!